Trellis and cross filling is a very pretty stitch. You can stay close to the idea of the name and create a trellis of flowers, or play around with the colours to get the effect you want. The beginning of this stitch is the same as diagonal laid filling. Create a diagonal grid with long stitches worked in pairs. To anchor the long stitches, use small straight stitches to create tiny crosses at each point where the base threads meet. The stitches meet in the centre of each intersection, which helps keep them even. As I've chosen a green base and a pink thread for the crosses, it does look a lot like a garden trellis covered in flowers and foliage. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. If you'd like to see more stitch tutorials, I have a playlist here. Please give this video a like and subscribe to get notified about my new tutorials and projects. Bye for now.